our 2-pot soup warmer. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, I have a length of 18.25 inches, depth of 9.5 inches. Overall height to the top of the pot, we have at least 13 inches tall. Included will be 2 bowls, covers, and a spoon for each. Each bowl will measure 7 inches in radius by 8.5 inches in height. Those are the interior dimensions. And for the exterior, we have 7.5 in diameter by 8.5 inches tall. Measures apply for the other bowl as well. Measure for the spoon. Overall length, we have at least 12 inches. Please note that 1/3 quarts of water must be added in each compartment before adding the pot back in its slot. That way, the water acts as the main source to heat your products that's being held in each pot. Power switch along with the left and right temperature control heat settings that will hold your product in each pot. Coming to the back will be the 110-120 voltage plug. Coming to the back will be the ETL certification along with the technical specification for this warmer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.